at Aloha Shoyu, we are deeply involved in the community and giving back. We have partnered with several foundations, such as Motivate, that has been put together by Marcus Mariota. He provides positive educational and athletic outlets for the youth. The Bonnie Fong Foundation, whom we have just recently partnered with, is a nonprofit organization that provides nursing scholarships. And the Tanioka's Charity Foundation, who supports so many charity foundations, such as Kapiolani Children's Hospital, Palimomi Center, American Cancer Society, Hawaii Law Enforcement, March of Dimes, River of Life, and many other schools and organizations, along with the Shane Victorino Foundation, who serves underprivileged youth, and the Sape Foundation, which provides support to children and families in need. The Nawahine Toa Foundation, who provides scholarships for Native girls and women. And of course, Christy Yamaguchi's Always Dream Foundation, which provides support for underprivileged youth.
For more information on these foundations, be sure to check out Aloha Shoyu's website.